Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken tortilla soup. This one is going to be filled with tons of shredded chicken and the perfect amount of spice to keep you warm and full. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is soften the ancho chili in a little bit of hot water. Then I'll cover it and set it aside and get started on sauteing my vegetables. So I'll add about a couple tablespoons of olive oil to my pot, and then I'll go ahead and add in all of my chopped onion, and I'll season it with salt and pepper and allow this to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are soft and translucent. Now I'm just going to add the bell peppers and a poblano pepper, and you can sub out the red bell pepper for another color. So if you want to use a yellow or an orange bell pepper, you can also use those. And you can also sub out the poblano pepper if you can't find these where you live and just use jalapeno. Once the ancho chili is soft, remove the seeds and dice it, and then add it to the pot along with garlic and all the fresh tomatoes. Next, I'll add all of the seasoning, and then I'll add my chicken breast, but you could also use chicken thighs if you wanted to here. And then I'm going to add all of my chicken stock, and then I'm going to cover this, and then I'm going to allow this soup to simmer for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, I remove all of my chicken from the soup pot, and then I'm going to set it aside on a plate, and using 2 forks, I'm just going to shred all of the chicken. And then finally, I'm just going to add all of the shredded chicken back into the soup pot along with all of my fresh squeezed lime juice. Now all that's left to do is to serve our nice hot soup in a large bowl with all of the trimmings, including shredded cheese, tortilla strips, and sliced avocado. I love this chicken tortilla soup because it's filling and has the perfect amount of kick. There's also room for you to add beans or corn or anything else you like, so feel free to customize it. Well everyone, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.